Steve from Minecraft. Hello, Cloud. What's up? Cloud, mag-hello ka sa mga subscriber mo.
Hello, subscribe.
Oh, he's doing the hair of Steve. He is shading it all black because Steve has a black hair. Curly hair. How about the mustache, anak? Yung kanya mustache niya. Lagyan mo na yung pusig niya. Lagyan mo ng bangsit. Yung shoes niya, anong color shoes ni Steve? Black, di ba? O, color mo na. Wala nang black yan si bata. May abs yung foot niya. Color niya na yung foot ni Steve. Hello, Oren. I am Steve. Oren.
Minsan yung black na konti.
That is coloring it blue. That's blue, Cloud. Should color it with pencil black.
This is very entertaining, but maybe we should make it a bit harder.